This is tear and paste activity. How you will do tear and paste? I will give you this newspaper. You have to tear and I'll put a Fevicol. You have to paste like this. You'll paste now. Shall I put the Fevicol? Paste. Next. Complete. Neatly, no gap. Cover this now. Later I'll put Fevicol. Cover this. Neatly. Start pasting. This. Next this one. Done.